Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 8T. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. As you can see right here, we've got two Files apps: My Files, provided by Oppo, and Files by Google, provided by Google. First, let's go to Files by Google, and now we can use Nearby Share, thanks to which we can send and receive files. We can browse our internal storage and clean junk files. Also, if you go to menu, you've got access to Recycle bin. Let's now enter the files by Oppo. And right here we've got pretty same things, except Nearby Share. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.